Have you ever been wronged so deeply that it echoed in your soul? The betrayal, the lies, the quiet backstabs, they didn't just hurt, they changed you. You gave loyalty and got lessons. You gave love and got lessons. You gave trust. And guess what? More lessons. It's easy to feel like you need to fight back, to scream your truth, to expose their lies, to make them feel the pain they caused you. But listen, the universe doesn't sleep. Karma doesn't need reminders. And justice doesn't always wear a courtroom robe. Sometimes it wears time. So what do you do when people hurt you and walk away like nothing happened? Step 1. Stop trying to be karma's assistant. Too many people waste their precious energy waiting for revenge, hoping for a cosmic slap to land on someone else's face. But in doing so, they stay trapped in the energy that hurt them. You want to let karma do its job? Then let go. Let go of your obsession with justice. Let go of needing them to understand what they did. Let go of hoping they suffer. Because every time you think about them, they still win. Every time you hold on to hate, you feed the cycle. The best revenge is no revenge, just moving on with your life so fully that they become a footnote in your story. Step 2. Focus on your growth, not their punishment. Here's the truth. Karma works in silence. While you're busy healing, leveling up, loving yourself harder than ever before, life is rearranging itself, not for revenge, but for balance. And balance always returns. Let them live with their choices. Let them walk with the weight of what they've done. Because trust me, they know. Even if they act like they don't care, even if they seem to win, deep down, people know when they've wronged a good soul, and no matter how far they run, karma doesn't lose addresses. 3. Win quietly. Shock loudly. Let them think they won. Let them whisper. Let them underestimate you, but never let them distract you. Because the sweetest sound karma makes is when you quietly level up in the dark and walk out into the light shining so brightly that they can't ignore you. Revenge is not screaming, "Look at me now." Revenge is becoming so undeniable that even they are forced to watch. Success is karma's loudest clapback. 4. Revenge is a chain, not a weapon. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Revenge seems like power, but in truth, it is just another form of slavery. Slavery to your emotions, your pride, your ego. When you retaliate, you sink to the same level as those who harmed you. You become a mirror of their flaws. But when you walk away in silence and dignity, you become a mirror of your principles. You rise above, you evolve. Letting karma deal with them is not passive, it is active wisdom. It is choosing your highest self over your lowest instinct. Step 5. Turn pain into power. You want to let karma deal with them? Then take all that pain and build something beautiful. Use the betrayal to build better boundaries. Use the heartbreak to love yourself more deeply. Use the rejection as redirection towards something greater. When you stop focusing on what they did and start focusing on who you're becoming, that's when the magic starts. Because karma isn't just about them, it's about you. Every action plants a seed. Their lies, they planted weeds. Your healing, you're planting forests. Let time do the rest. Always remember this. Don't waste your life hoping they fall. Spend your life building something they'll never be able to touch. Your peace, your purpose, your power. Because in the end, the loudest revenge is silence filled with success. Let karma do what it does best. Deliver lessons. And let yourself do what you were born to do. Rise higher, shine brighter, and never, ever look back.